Hi, I'm Dr. Hulsey presenting Transforming Procedural Skills Learning with Augmented Reality. What is a teaching and learning innovation? I was able to integrate augmented reality technology into the PA curriculum, particular clinical skills training. The objective was to enhance my students' understanding and performance of procedural skills using holographic models combined with physical trainers. The existing problem is that the current physical models really fail to illustrate critical anatomical structures, and this limits the full comprehension understanding of procedural skills. The solution was to apply the AR technology, which allowed the students to visualize internal and external anatomical landmarks in real time, therefore enhancing their procedural knowledge, their preparedness, and their confidence. The influence and inspiration was to develop competent clinical skills quickly and effectively for the students, as well as build their confidence. We also wanted to be able to increase engagement and motivation, so finding and utilizing something that's very interactive and visually appealing. Utilize something that's scalable. This can be used in various settings. Integrating technology in education. We are in a tech-driven healthcare environment as well as a tech-driven generation of students. Promoting culture sensitivity training, accommodating diverse learning styles, as well as really teaching the why to our students, having them understand all components of the procedure, such as spatial awareness, the details, procedural steps, importance, how errors or improper techniques can lead to complications, as well as really depict variations in individual patient anatomy. The key beneficiaries here were our PA students, and we want them to have that improved anatomical understanding and procedural competence. Educators have the ability to have that enhanced delivery of dynamic and interactive learning experiences to the students. And then our healthcare system is impacted here. If graduates have better preparedness, we're able to hopefully reduce potential errors in patient care. There is a broader impact here. We really like to see that influence of interprofessional collaboration as well enhancing team-based learning that we can see with implementing AR into our curriculum. The impact on learning that we particularly saw in our learners was that our students said that they had better anatomical comprehension and procedure confidence after the AR training. This had a high system usability score, meaning it's very user-friendly. And we saw great feedback from students, which included engagement, satisfaction, increased retention of knowledge and procedural skills, as well as students really seeing the value of being able to interact with a holographic model. In regards to alignment with ATSU's core professional attributes, we see that this promotes problem solving, allowing our students to navigate complex anatomical relationships during a procedural skill, fostering team-based learning and peer collaboration, adapting to diverse patient simulations, really promoting that culture sensitivity and proficiency, and promoting our students to develop an inclusive mindset. Social responsibility, we can improve patient safety. Our students are able to practice these procedures in a risk-free environment, making the errors now than compared to when they're out in the real world. And then interpersonal skills, it really encourage students to be able to communicate and collaborate not only amongst their peers, but as well as the instructors. Again, promoting that team-based learning. The degree of difficulty to implement innovation is really going to be the cost up front. The technical setup includes a holographic headset and software. You can see that these units are pretty costly, which can be definitely something that can make it difficult initially to implement if there's no funding to support it. The overall training of how to utilize this is pretty easy. Both faculty and students do need to be trained to use the equipment effectively, but that training is not needing to be extensive. Definitely having a support staff that can help support any kind of technical errors, which we all know that tech will have. But again, this is a very user-friendly system. And then curriculum integration is very easy to adapt into existing or perhaps just creating a completely new curriculum. This AR technology is very scalable. We're able to use this in different medical disciplines. We can also use this in other courses and other programs. It's completely customizable, so this really allows us to be as flexible as we need to or apply it to a wide range of educational settings. And then lastly, cost consideration. As I said, that initial investment is significant, but hopefully the more AR technology that comes through, we'll see that those costs are driven down. And then lastly, the more institutions and faculty and educators that use AR can create that collaborative network. And that will include sharing best practices as well as content development. And this will also reduce the implementation barriers to helping new adopters take on the technology. And that is my innovative technology that I applied into PA curriculum. Thank you.